Hey everyone, today I'm bringing you some breaking news from Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. A Beechcraft Bonanza single-engine plane crashed into a residential area on Sunday, March 9, 2025, at around 3 p.m. Now here's the remarkable part. All 5 people on board survived. They were quickly taken to hospitals, but their conditions are still unknown. Thankfully, no one on the ground was injured, although 5 vehicles suffered damage. The crash occurred less than a mile away from Lancaster Airport, right in the Brethren Village retirement community. Emergency responders were on the scene within 3 minutes, and the entire situation was under control just over 3 hours later. So, what exactly happened? The plane had just taken off when the pilot reported an open door and requested to return to the airport. Air traffic control cleared the plane to land, but shortly after, the pilot was urged to pull up. Moments later, the plane crashed, skidding approximately 100 feet, and miraculously avoiding any structures. There were multiple fires at the scene, likely stemming from the crashed aircraft, and it's a testament to the quick response of the emergency crews that the fire was controlled so swiftly. The Beechcraft Bonanza is a well-known single-engine model introduced back in 1947, typically capable of carrying 6 people. This particular aircraft was registered to an entity in Manheim, Pennsylvania, and was scheduled to fly to Springfield-Beckley Municipal Airport in Springfield, Ohio. Governor Josh Shapiro confirmed that state police were assisting and that Commonwealth resources were made available. The National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, is aware of the crash and will be conducting a thorough investigation. They'll be looking into all possible causes, including the reported open door. For those of you who want a visual reference, NBC affiliate WGL of Lancaster captured video footage showing the plane in the Brethren Village parking lot. Online images reveal the tail of the plane amidst flames, a stark reminder of the dangers of air travel. Aviation incidents like these are rare, but they serve as crucial reminders of the importance of safety protocols and quick emergency response. I'll be keeping you updated as more information becomes available. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this and other stories. See you next time.